Why is a college degree worth less today? Let's find out. Okay, keyword 1, supply. Back in your grandparents' day, almost nobody had a college degree, like barely anyone, which meant if you had one, you stood out immediately. Rare things are valuable. That's not just an economics rule, it's basically a law of nature. But look at today. More people graduate college right now than at any other point in history. Every year, millions more join the pile. So the same diploma that used to make you special now just makes you normal. It's not that the degree got worse, there's just way more of it going around. Keyword 2, signal. Here's a word you'll hear a lot in economics, a signal. It just means a shortcut people use to guess something they can't directly see. A company can't read your brain in an interview. They can't watch you work for 6 months before hiring you, so they need a shortcut. And for decades, a college degree was that shortcut. It quietly said, this person can commit to something hard, follow through, and show up for 4 straight years. But shortcuts only work if not everyone's using them. Now, almost every applicant has a degree, so it stopped separating anyone from anyone else. Companies started asking for something sharper instead. Portfolios, real projects, proof you can actually do the thing today, not proof you finished a program 4 years ago. Keyword 3, debt. This one's simple, and it stings a little. Tuition has climbed way faster than paychecks have. Way faster. So a degree that costs more than ever is signaling less than ever. Which means for a lot of people, the math just doesn't math anymore. You're paying a bigger bill for a smaller advantage. Here's the real twist, and it's the one nobody tells you. A college degree was never really about what you learned in the classroom. It was a signal, a shortcut employers use to trust you fast without doing the harder work of actually checking. But here's the thing about shortcuts. They only work when not everyone's taking them. So the degree isn't worthless, it's just not the only signal anymore. And it's definitely not the loudest one. Maybe the real question isn't whether college is worth it, it's this. What are you going to signal instead?